Nowadays, several obese Americans have the need to shed those extra pounds. Staying fit would help them lead a healthy lifestyle and also remove the load off their body, improving their all-round well-being. There are several dieting options which one can adopt. Summer fitness equipment, exercise programs, dietary supplements, dietary foods, drinks and soaps which apparently help you reduce weight as you bathe. Another option that remains open to shed those extra pounds is to adopt herbal methods. For people who wish to lose weight naturally, herbal weight reduction products are their best bet. But when one takes herbal supplements to procure weight loss, the waiting period is longer due to the mild effect of pills which come from natural herbs and plant life. Below are a few herbal weight reduction options that you can take a look at. 1. Herbal weight loss product. There are plenty of products in the market, which help you to lose weight herbally. Even on the internet you will find many such herbal weight reduction medicines. But you must be careful about the products you choose because though some claim to be natural and safe, they cause side effects on the long run because of insufficient research on the long-term effects of these herbal products. Listed below are some chemical ingredients that are used in herbal products which you must carefully avoid as they may produce a harmful effect to your body's health. Greater than senna. It is herbal laxative, and is the prime ingredient used in weight reduction teas. It is stimulated in the colon. The major drawback of senna is dehydration, colon disorder and even how to lose weight. With the right food. Addiction. When addiction occurs, some people find it difficult to perform bowel movements in the absence of this herb. Greater than chromium picolinate. It is a synthetic ingredient used in herbal products. Chromium helps in regulation of the level of blood sugar. However, excessive consumption may damage the chromosomes, and in some cases, leads to dehydration of the body. Greater than St. John's wort. It increases chemical production in the brain. But if it is used incorrectly, it causes sensitivity in the skin and eye region, fatigue, gastrointestinal disorder and itching. Though most herbal products say that they are 100% natural and safe, one must carefully study the ingredients and effects of the products before taking up these dietary capsules. 2. Organic food. Organic food has worked its way into hotels and houses in Wichita, Kansas. People who consume organic food strongly believe that eating organic food helps their body and the environment simultaneously. People who eat organically produced eggs and vegetables say that they are way healthier and save a lot of money that is usually spent on doctors and medicines. This is an extremely good option for Weight Watchers too, as they don't add much weight to your body when compared to food products that are processed chemically. 3. Green tea. Recent research reveals that drinking green tea or extracts of green tea helps in burning excess calories. Green tea with caffeine is found to increase fat loss by about 40%, thereby reducing the fat content rapidly. This is a very good option for people who wish to reduce weight. On conducting experiments, it has been discovered that people who consumed green tea had lost 2 to 3 times more weight compared to those who did not. How to lose weight. With the right food. Thus, green tea is an obvious, natural option for people who wish to treat obesity. It also serves as a healthy dietary option and has extremely good effects on the body when compared to caffeine foods. A cup of green tea provides an immediate surge of energy without carrying the side effects produced by caffeine products. 3. Caffeine. Drinking coffee gives the body a much-needed energy boost and also helps to increase the fat burning. It increases the energy in the body, consequently increasing the rate at which fat is burnt. 4. Immortality herb. Its biological name is Gymnostemna pentaphyllum and it has the following advantages: greater than increased fat burning rate, increases blood flow, maintains healthy blood pressure, reduces artery blocks. 5. Cider vinegar. There are many pills and supplements which contain apple cider vinegar as its primary ingredient. Its benefits include, greater than controls blood pressure, improves cholesterol level, aids weight loss, helps in prevention of rheumatoid arthritis.